How to zoom in or zoom out in VLC Media Player. Here's how. First, open VLC Media Player and play the video you want to watch. To quickly change the zoom level, click Video from the menu bar at the top. Hover over Zoom to open the available zoom options. You'll see different zoom levels, such as 1:4, 1:2, Original, 2:1, and more. Click the zoom level you want, and the video will instantly adjust. To return the video to its normal size, click Video, hover over Zoom, and select Original. If you want more control, click Tools from the top menu. Select Effects and Filters to open the Video Effects window. Next, click the Video Effects tab. Then open the Geometry section. Check the box next to Interactive Zoom. A small zoom window will appear, allowing you to zoom in and move around different parts of the video. That's it. You've successfully zoomed in or out in VLC Media Player. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more quick and easy VLC Media Player tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.